student. Now I am going to start the new chapter, multiplication, chapter number 4. You have learned multiplication in previous classes. Just I am telling you something about multiplication. Before going to start multiplication, you have to know some term, multiplicand and multiplier. Suppose 16 to 2. Here 16 is called multiplicand. Sixteen is called multiplicand because in multiplication number to be multiplied is called multiplicand, and the number by which we multiply, here we multiply by 2, so 2 is called multiplier, and the result is called product. 2 into 6, 12, 1, 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, 3. But you have to know the table up to 20 because you are in class 4. So you can easily multiply 2 with 16. 16 to 2, all of you know the table of 16. 16 to 2, 32. Okay, so the result is called product. Clear? All of you please learn this term. Multiplicand, multiplier, and the result is called product. Number 55. Before that, I want to tell you something. Multiplication is repeated addition. So here in your book, multiplication will start from repeated. Please see here, in multiplication start with repeated subtraction. So page number 55. Now I am doing one for you. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. So how many times 6 are repeated in addition? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 times into 6. Okay, so 7 into 6, 42. So 6 plus 6, when you add all 6, you will get 42 also. Okay, so 2, 3, you will 2, 3, 4, 5, all of you do in your book. Okay, this will be your homework. Now let's practice 4.1. Here you have to write the number, how many times 12 is repeated here. Okay, so number 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 12, 10 times 12 here is added. So 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus equal 10 times, so 10 into 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 12 times 12 is added here. Now number 2. 13. 1, 2, 3. 7 times 13 repeated here. Okay, so 13 plus 13 plus 13 plus 13 plus 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many times 13 is added here? So 7 times. So 7 into 13. In this way you can do multiplication. By repeated addition you can do multiplication. Okay. Now 3, 4 you will do at home in your book. 5 I am doing for you. 3 and 4 homework. Page number 57. Page number 57. Now 5 into 90. 5 into 90. Please tell me 5 into 90. So how many times 19 is added here? 5 times. Okay. So 19 plus 19 plus 19 plus 19 plus 19. From 7 to 10, I think easily you can do it. Okay. To 10, you will do in your. Clear? Now complete the following patterns. If you want, you can do in your book also, no problem. So no need to do this one. If you want, you can do it. Okay, if you want, you can fill up this chart. Now let us practice 4.2. Page 59. Let us practice 4.2. So first one, multiply. You have to multiply 5827 using the table of 11. Okay? Everyone solve this one using the table. You all of you know the table from 1 to 20. So easily you can solve this one. Now number 3. 6175 multiply with 13. Okay, so you have to use the table of 13. So 13 into 5, 65. Okay, cut 5 here and write 6. 13 into 7, 13 into 7, 91. So 91 plus 6, 97. Cut 7, put here and write 9 here. 13 into 1, 13. 13 plus 9, 22. Cut 2 and write here and put 2 on 6. 13 into 6, 78. 78 plus 2, 80. Clear? Another one I am doing for you. Table of 14 and 15, I think easily you can do. Now number 6. Number 6. 3800, 3847. Multiply with 16. For solving this multiplication, you have to use the table of 16. So 16 to 7, 112. 112. Cut 2 and write here, put 11 on 4. 16 into 4, 64. 64 plus 11, 64 plus 11, 75. Cut 5 and write here, put 7 on 8. 16 into 8, 128. 128 plus 7, 135. Cut 5 and put 13 on 3. 16 to 3, 48. 48 plus 13 to 61. So answer is 61,552.